Hello everyone, today I'm going to cook mutton soup. It's an excellent side dish for idli and dosa. I have got 1.5 lb of goat meat here, so let's get started. So we are going to cook in a pressure cooker. Turn on the heat, adding 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, adding little mustard seeds, little urad dal, 1 green chili and few curry leaves. And now adding 1 onion cut into small pieces. And let's fry the onion until it turns light brown in color. We'll be using curry masala powder, which gives our soup nice spicy taste and flavor. I have a separate video on how to prepare this curry masala. I'll provide the link in the description. And also this spices are like well roasted and powdered, so we will be using it at the end of our preparation. So the onions are fried. Now I'm adding ginger and garlic. Just mix it well. So once the raw flavor of ginger and garlic is gone, we can add the tomatoes and let it cook for 5 minutes. So the tomatoes are cooked. Now we can add our goat meat. And let's mix it well. And let it cook for 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes. Now I'm adding turmeric powder, half a teaspoon, chili powder, 1 teaspoon, coriander powder, 1 teaspoon, and salt. And let's mix it well. And let it cook for a couple of minutes. And then let's add 2 cups of water. And mix it well. And we can close it now. Let it cook for 20 minutes or up to 4 to 5 whistles. So we cooked for 4 whistles and also the pressure got settled. Now we can open it. The meat is also cooked well. So we can turn on the heat on a medium flame now. And now we can add our curry masala. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of our curry masala and mix it well. And let it cook for 5 minutes and then our mutton soup is ready. So it's been 5 minutes, so we can turn off the heat and our soup is ready. So there's our mutton soup, guys. Please have it with idli or dosa, and thanks for watching.